So I'm back on the workbenches. I have two legs ready. Well, not totally ready, but the frame of them. And what I'm running into is if this bottom board right here has a slight twist to it, what happens is it doesn't set even. It rocks. So rather than follow that line, which would make the whole thing crooked, it's more important to me that these two, this one here and this one here, lay flat. So by doing it on this nice flat table, what I'll do is set it down there, screw it in right there. So even though it's not even here, it's still going to end up being tight. Looks like my hole's pretty close here. Yeah, I may have to use a different one. But either way, that's the main thing to go by, in my opinion, is getting this level here for the leg. So sometimes you know it's a workbench, but I still want it nice and straight, and that's what I'm running into with a board like this. And some of these are twisted just a little bit. Okay, so sometimes you have to modify a little bit to get everything to look right.